What a mess about. We've already been in one swim. That was like a mile down the stretch. And it was absolute granite. Oh, I'm not having a good day. As per. So I've come to a swim where I've had the most success. Because I don't know what else to do really. Get the corn on. Oh, my bank's going for a walk here. Look. Ground's rock hard. Get in. That won't stay there. Right. Let's get sorted out here. I need something just to calm me down. I'm going to clip up in there, I think. I keep coming down the side stretch thinking, oh yeah, there'll be a spot, I'll find a peg, that's a winner. And I'm just not finding it. I say this is about my best I've done in this peg. It's all very bits, like you get like the odd bream, the odd bit of roach, just not real kicking on. I don't know. Oh, even they're full of crap, look. I used to go near this bush here, but you can't now, there's a snag there. That was a knock on it. Or was it wind? No, that was a knock. That was a knock. That is the best thing we've seen all day. Oh, missed it. Gutted. Oh well, that was a defo bite though. Ooh, getting close to that snag. It went down like... Oh, I've had a bite there. Yep. Someone just started looking elsewhere. We're in my favourite swim. Oh. Well, I've got nothing to say about that. I wonder if a pike or something went for it, because it was really started going in edge then. That was alright there. Yep, sweet. Oh, I want that on. Thought that was on all day. Can't believe the difference here compared to where I was. Starting to find my range with it now. Oh yeah. I bet it was a pike before, you know. Mate. Oh, he's got it. Chub. Right in lops. Oh, even I can't make it out on here. Oh, yeah, his nailed chub just side on. Wild. Chub's about this big, like. I mean, pike's only that. I bet I've had a bite, haven't I? And I've been distracted watching that. Oh, mate. Fully got done there, didn't I? Must have been a roach with speed of it. Oh, I keep getting bites and whatnot, but we're not putting any fish on bank. Oh no, wind got it a little bit. proper morning at that. Let me try a bread punch. Oh no. I knew I'd gone a bit to the side. Draining. Hook's gone straight in that. Yep, I can feel the branch moving. That's uplink gone. I knew though, if I go slightly to right of there, you're done. That's why you need your uplinks tied up. Straight back in the game. I'm going to try a little bit of prawn. Just out of curiosity really. Yep, straight up prawn. Oh, we lost it. Can you believe it? Oh my days, what is happening? This stretch, just berserk. Didn't feel a bad fish either. I thought these prawns have to work because they just smell too good. Mate, if we leave here empty-handed, oh, I won't believe it. Let's go back. Oh, keep catching something. Are we in? I don't know what's going off here. Oh, we're in. Perch. Go on the perch. He's going to spike me, so yeah, he's there. Oh, he's all fired up. His dorsal's up now. He's not happy about life. No, we aren't blanked. We aren't blanked. Get on prawn. That's what you got to do. Yeah, my original thinking with the prawn was, oh, it might get, you know, the odd big perch. Obviously, I fish with bread and corn quite a lot. It kind of cancels them out. Oh, someone's had a go at that. Someone's hit water. Well, the show's over. Bites have dried right up, so I'm going to call it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.